So I will also talk about still the whole IP stuff. Say IP address. I tell you say IP address just be like your house address, Abi, or your website address. Now so it just be as simple as that. Or your server's address, house address. The house address now be the IP. Now, if I go to my terminal again, now this terminal wey you see here, if you don't get them because this one na Ubuntu terminal, but I will show us how to install for people who want to install Linux distros. I will show us how to install. So if I do if config, make I check something. If you know they like this for your own, but you see this WLP4S0, then you can see inet. This particular IP address we see, now it be my router's IP address. Now my router IP address be this. I dey connected right now. Now I make it a show. If I disconnect, do that command again, I no go see them. Make we try them, make we see. Okay, so I don't disconnect now. Make I clear. Then enter again. If config. You see, say you know they show again. Now others they show. All these ones now from Docker and some other things what they do. That particular IP address no they show again. That W4LSO no they show again. You don't see them be. Make I connect again. Okay, I did connected again. Make I clear. If config. Okay, so you don't show. See my router's IP address. Maybe this my router IP address. So it simply means say my laptop they follow this particular IP address, which is my router's IP address. When you follow the router's IP address, you will go the local ISP, then to global ISP, then reach out to the internet, then reach any server or data center where I want reach out to. Then from there, it will get back to me. But lest I forget, you get everything they call reverse proxy or proxy, right? Proxy servers, reverse proxy servers. Because if the thing just goes straight like this from this server to the client, so hackers will actually exploit this particular track to get hold of your details. You understand? So it gets so many firewalls and security measures where then they put into play, right? Just they as plain as this. I just say make I put them out there. Then for this my terminal, still talking about IP addresses. This loop back LO where you see LO here, 127.0.0.1. This particular IP address now my local host. They call them local host or local server. It is used for local development. Then they use and they develop locally. So if you build websites or you do anything where you want to locally for your machine, which I mean locally for your machine, nobody will access them online. Now this particular IP address now you go use. So then they call them local host or loopback IP. You understand? Loopback IP or local host. That's what they call them. Okay, so we will stop here for today. Next time we will talk about caching, fiber optics, then talk a little about ports, then we round up with the internet. Yeah, I will see you now for the next one. Cheers.